Okay, Chloe, deep breath. You can do this. New York, here I come.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I am flying to New York, JFK Airport.
Excellent. May I have your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Are you checking any luggage today?
Just this one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Would you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I want to see the clouds.
You're all set. Here is your boarding pass. Gate 10. Boarding starts at 11 a.m.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Hello. Would you like chicken or pasta for your meal?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Anything to drink?
Could I have an orange juice? No ice, please.
Sure. Here is your juice and your meal.
Thank you. Oh, excuse me, could I also have a blanket? It's a bit cold.
Of course. I'll bring one right away.
Could I have is such a useful phrase. I should remember that. Good afternoon, officer.
Passport and customs declaration, please. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for a vacation. I want to see the city.
How long will you be staying in the United States?
I will be here for 10 days.
Where are you staying?
I'm staying at the Manhattan Grand Hotel.
Do you have anything to declare? Any food or plants?
No, nothing.
Enjoy New York. Stamps passport.
Thank you. Have a good one. Wow, it's so loud here. Okay, let's find a taxi.
Need a ride, miss?
Yes, please. Can you take me to the Manhattan Grand Hotel?
Sure thing. Put your bag in the back.
Before we go, how much is the fare to Midtown?
It's a flat rate of $70 plus tolls.
Okay, that sounds good. Let's go.
Traffic is heavy today. It might take an hour.
That's fine. I can look at the view.
Welcome to the Manhattan Grand. How can I help you?
Hello. I have a reservation under the name Chloé Martin.
Let me see. Yes, one room for 10 nights. Can I have a credit card for the security deposit?
Here you are. Is Wi-Fi included in the room?
Yes, it's free for guests. Here is your key card. You are in room 1502.
Great. What time is breakfast served?
From 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. in the restaurant downstairs.
Thank you for your help. I made it. I'm solo in New York. It's even more beautiful than the movies. Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but could you take a photo of me? Sure, just stand right there. Smile. Thank you so much. No problem. Welcome to NYC. My English isn't perfect, but I'm doing it. Now I'm going to find a famous New York pizza slice. See you tomorrow.